Welcome to GCCars, and my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2022 Infiniti QX60 Sensory. That's one from the top trim, so it's not quite the top trim, but it's still pretty nice, as you can see. And yeah, in this highway POV test drive, we're going to test the assist system. So that means adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and the steering assist, so the lane centering assist. Just want to turn on our lights in these conditions. And yeah. Before we do that though, I do have a phone review. If you want to know more about this QX60 and my full opinion on it, click on the top right hand corner for that. And other than that, let's have some fun and drive on the highway and see how well this QX60 does. No handling test today because the conditions just don't allow it, but that's fine. Also going to be quiet in between what we're doing occasionally, just so you can hear how it is to drive. So we want to set our adaptive cruise control. Okay, cruise control is set, and now let's test the lane keep assist. So we're just going to drift out on the right side and see what the car's doing. It's vibrating, and there it's steering us back a little. Okay, so it does work perfectly for that. Let's turn on the steering assist. We have a button here on the left. Steering assist on. Now we have a green steering wheel icon. So let's see, I'm still in control. I'm just doing this so you can see that I'm not giving any input, but I'm ready to intervene at any point. Remember, this is not an autonomous system. This is solely made to assist you while driving. Adaptive cruise control is braking and accelerating while the car is steering, so I'm just monitoring at the moment. Like I said, not meant to do this way, just for the video. And it's doing a decent job, just the same I had in Nissan, which has a similar system. Is it steers a little bit to the left, too far to the left. For me, this is fine again, but sometimes in turns it's not quite sure where to go. Also, I will need to merge to the left-hand side. Excuse me, Mr. Tesla. Alright, because this is an accident actually. The beeps indicate that the car took control again. So I'm just gonna hold my hands as it's supposed to be, and I'm not giving any steering input. So this is all car right now. Let's see how it does with that sharper turn. Curious. Does pretty well. Slight correction there where it's not quite sure where to go. A little further left than I would like. Now it goes to the right. And that's what I mean. It's not a bad system by any means, but it is not quite as smooth as some of these. You can see it kind of going left and right a bit in the lane, not being quite sure where to place itself. See the right hand turn here. This of course is a little nasty with the wall just on the right hand side, which might confuse the car a little. There you can see, these steering inputs, and now I got intervene. And yeah, this is a bad corner that almost no car gets. I think even Super Cruise disabled in this one. Ba-bum. So we're back in control. Can I hand it back? No, not quite. This. So we'll only steer a certain, like up to a certain amount of G's, I guess, or steering angle. But maybe we can take over here again. Let's see. Yes. Don't go as far left as the F-150 in front of us. And there we go. That's doing a good job now. So it's definitely. There you see, it's a little unsure. Okay, let's take full-on manual control here, please. As you can see, it is not always quite sure where to place itself, but it's still a system on longer drives. I definitely would like to have it and would use it. It's just on shorter drives like these, where I'm not driving that far, it's not too much of a benefit. Some other systems are a little better, but still good to have, I think. Anyhow, I'm just going to be quiet for about a minute, and then we're going to end this video just so you can have the full experience here. fine, all good. Okay, but I think we're gonna end the video here. Just gonna turn to the right lane, let the Subaru behind us pass. There we go. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I gave you a little more insight into how this QX60 is to drive. We have 2 more POV test drives, one at night where we test the high beams and the headlights, and one in the city where we test a bit of the smoothness of the drivetrain. But like I said, we have a full-on review about it where we test pretty much everything. We talk about the exterior, interior, and how it drives, and if it's worth the money. So make sure to check that out somewhere on your screen. And other than that, I upload videos every single week about every sorts of car. So yeah, if you like it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. And other than that, hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.